Kublish buni fibro kajing petip nam ta ki player atletik bat lada pidei ki basyaj asimenta ka atletik te bat pikwa ru ban revision ya ka jelam megalia te kan don ka atletik selection trial tang nam ta ka atletik ma ki long jump ki high jump ki race kita bro ki bahabe pok ka athletics dengan puli kat kum kane ka notification ka bangayo akumno the Meghalaya Athletic Association will organize trial for the 34 East Zone Junior Athletic Championship 2023. Tenakam takane kin trial takane banyo yakataka Meghalaya team kan man represent hakane ka 34 East Zone Junior Athletic Championship 2023 on 16 September 2023. Kin penlong pada kataka selection trial 100 September 2023. From 7 a.m. onward, new Bajim stamp at Sai Nehu Center in Shillong for the Meghalayan team. Hapo ka venues ka jaka ka depo Sai Nehu Center atrai gle atephi ka jaka ang tu baset pelong game man kapor Sai Nehu Center in Shillong for the Meghalayan team. Man select kata ka Meghalayan team main. Interested athletes should bring their own respective kit and food on this day. No TADA will be provided. Tekitu kiba long interest but kwa ban yurung hakam Meghalaya team. Te pidi ban wan hakati kesngi ban ra ro iki kits ki jongpi kibede bat ki game kiba bishimenta. Mat kinom ai kata ka bailet by one nam ta ka nemo. Phaban tip hi kita baro malak tip hi ha ka selection te kinom ai phi phapen biang hi ma phin nang sedong. Ta kindon category there will be 4 categories selected on the 14 born between 1610 2009 to 1510 2011. Kan mau bah ki bade under 14 ki deben kha hakini kisnem khandru tarik bne bishpo arja khandai hadu khasan tarik bne bishpo arja khadwai hakini kisnem hapreng gini deben kha ki bade under 14. Under 16 pada born between 1610 2007 to 1510 2009. Kini ki under 16. Deben kha hapdeng kanemo Khandru Shipho Arjar New Hadu Khatsan Shipho Arjar Khandai. Under 18 Kideban Kha Kalong Khandru Shipho Arjasan Hadu Khatsan Shipho Arjar New. And under 20 born between Khandru Shipho Arjar Lai Hadu Khatsan Shipho Arjar San. Tekidon do South League category under 14, under 16, under 18, under 20. Tilada pidang hap kawai ni gini kategori bat fikwa banishimenta pila banwan haga tikasngi khandru tarik September kajaka kade hapo Sai Nehu campus kadon hangtu kajaka ban selection trial. For further detail please contact number telada fikwa ban tip banya fikram pat shai kane kajeng penbi kajonga ki e kita ki event ki ban kinsa select ki jinon kam te pila ban phone ru igni number knai prasan rew not sawai lai rusan but uneway part new not sun saw reway not saw sun pila ban klibnia nam tagani ki eginon kam video ban ra tangba ka birth certificate te phaban ra hi nomor ba phaban proof ya ka age jongpi te kan mau ban wana kate ka pola da bikwa ban simeta bat nam ta ban shai ba pila ban phone ni ki number kula dap ai hangni sakali badai ginon kam ki bede bat kani kumno ban le kumno ban poi kumno ban ra ginon kam baro nam tagani te kitu ki badan interest te salek ke badan kam tangini jumtip kuble jubun